Hello, what's going on everyone? In today's video I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is: diamonds, graphite and charcoal are all forms of which element? Well, I'll give you the answer for the question, and after I'll provide you with a short explanation about the answer. And here is a question: diamonds, graphite and charcoal are all forms of which element? Well, I'll give you the answer for the question. Well, the correct answer for the question is carbon, and here's a bit more information about the answer. Consider a diamond alongside the graphite tip of a pencil, and you'll be intrigued to find that both originate from the fundamental element carbon. Their distinction arises from the arrangement of carbon atoms. Diamonds feature tightly bonded carbon atoms forming a crystalline lattice, contributing to their famed hardness. Conversely, graphite comprises layers of carbon atoms capable of sliding over one another, rendering it significantly softer. Through intense pressure and heat, carbon can transition into a diamond. Furthermore, when observing charcoal at a grill, bear in mind that it primarily consists of carbon as well. So that is the correct answer for the question, carbon. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.